Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here's a review of moving 1 month or however months forward or back using the EDATE function. Remember the EDATE? Very simple. The date plus the change. Now here we pointed. What do I mean by pointed? We pointed to C5 and then we pointed to D5. Here we pointed to C6 to enter C6. What do I mean by pointing? We can go here and highlight C5, put a comma, and then point. That is what I mean by we pointed. If you like, you can hard code this. And what I mean by hard code, you can see the C5 is pointed, but then the 1 is hard coded. You can hard code here. This is a one-time use number. For example, here we used EDATE today 12. That just means from today 12 months forward, the 12 is hard coded. We can use C10 and then 2 times 12. No problem. You look at the difference here in the notes, you can see this is all pointed. The hard coded is hard coded. You have a lot of flexibility. Just remember, if you're using this EDATE in another structure, then don't hard code. But if you're using it for, if you want to just show it as an example, or if it's a set number, then hard code. Just be very selective as to when you hard code. If you're conservative, just use the point method. That way, if there's changes here, if I want to change this to 40 minus 40, you see this changed, but this did not. I'd have to go in and change this. So just keep that in mind if you have changing numbers, if hard coding makes sense. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.